For judgment, Criminal Appeal Jail 33 of 23 pertaining to Itanagar bench.
So my brother is there at Arunachal, Mr. Ete. So we have prepared the judgment, and it is a considered opinion that the accused apparent is entitled for acquittal, and accordingly the appeal is allowed. Immediately the order for release will be passed.
Deeply obliged.
For judgment, Honorable Single Bench Matters, Item 1, WPC 88 of 20.
88 of 21.
The present WPC is dismissed. However, the petitioner and the respondent number 6 are at liberty to approach the civil forum to get their proper relief. Otherwise, we are not in a condition, and the government is also not in a condition to provide any compensation for the land plot number 111. That's all.
Obligement.
Item 2, Criminal Appeal Jail 1 of 21.
Here the appeal stands dismissed, and the judgment passed by the learned Special Justice POCSO is upheld.
Item 3, WPC 70 of 24.
Here also, I do not find any reason to interfere in the required. I don't find any requirement of interference, and accordingly, the present WPC stands dismissed.
Obliged.
Appeal stands dismissed, and the conviction is upheld. This petition stands dismissed.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention for a interlocutory application in bail dispose of matter for little modification in the order matter in so far as
As this bench is not sitting regularly, in fact, so you may better to approach raised
Lordship, the original order is
Original
not-
order is passed by this court, I can understand. But as it is not regularly sitting, because I don't know. So you just approach the bench, registry, they will fix the matter either tomorrow or tomorrow. I'm here.
Lordship. Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 2. Lordship,
Item number 2.
Lordship, the matter may be adjourned for the day. My senior is out of station today.
Adjournment, I cannot say now. It will be fixed by the registry only, because I cannot give you any date, in fact. After 1 week, we will list it after 1 week then.
Obliged, sir.
At the request made by
My lord, this is second bail petition, my lord. Earlier rejection order, my lord, kindly see please 19, my lord.
19.
Yes, sir. Earlier it was rejected on 23rd July, my lord.
Hmm.
Now, my lord, petitioner is, my lord, behind the bar, my lord, 158 days, my lord. As on today, my lord.
What is the case of
My lord,
commercial quantity matter or
yeah, no, my lord, lesser quantity, my lord.
lesser
Yes, my lord.
quantity?
Yes, my lord.
Madam, commercial quantity is also there, madam. 21B, 22C, and 29 of NDP.
My lord, from the Caesar list, my lord, it is ascertained that quantity is, my lord, lesser quantity, my lord. Because, my lord, I have NH, my lord, Caesar list, my lord. Caesar list, my lord, is 13, my lord, can you see? As per, my lord, Caesar list, my lord, from, my lord, bottom, my lord, a total 25.505 gram of suspected brown sugar, heroin, kept in 2 numbers of silver colored plastic top. These, my lord, contravention, my lord, suspected to be, my lord, seized from petitioner, my lord. And, my lord, as per, my lord, schedule, my lord, the commercial quantity is, my lord, 250 gram, my lord. Now, this quantity, my lord, is, my lord,
Bhusha, I have not seen the record. What is it?
Yes, my lord. Because, my lord, here, my lord, in the FIR, it says time that we're total 25.5
FIR
gram
also
of
same, my lord.
suspected brown sugar, and, my lord, and again 22 numbers of Ascap cough syrup, suspected codeine phosphate.
That is from another person, my lord, not from me, my lord.
Let
So, my
that-
lord, considering length of detention, my lord, now 2 days, my lord, to 158 days, my lord.
Most probably escape syrup and this
Gauripur,
two are, that's why 29 is there. In fact, that is the position I think. I cannot separate it because 29 is there with the conspiracy between both of you. From one escape syrup were recovered and from the other one, those heroin was recovered.
Yes.
That is the main issue. In fact,
Escape syrups from, my lord, another person, that is,
yes,
yes, my lord.
I can understand.
From the Caesar list itself,
I can-
my lord, reveals, my lord.
Last 3 days back, I met both. Yes, Bhusha.
Perusal of CD is required, my lord, because what is in their record, because FIR itself is not.
Earlier, my lord, it was rejected on perusal of the CD, my lord.
That's what I'm saying. If there's no new ground is there, earlier is also rejected.
Yes, my lord.
That time also the submission was in that manner only.
Earlier rejected on
Peruse
23/7/2020.
Yes, my lord.
So by now, what is the period of
My lord,
now?
158 days, my lord.
One.
Yes, my lord.
Then give a short date question.
Yes, my lord. It's from Gauripur.
Yes,
Yes.
Gauripur.
15/9. My lord, 27.
27 I'll not be available.
My lord.
Actually, I'm going to Delhi in fact.
My lord. I need it.
28, 29, 30. 1st of October or 31st Sunday. 30 may not be possible.
Yes.
31st is Tuesday. Make it Tuesday or 1st of October.
My lord, then 1st of October, my
First
lord.
of
If, my lord,
1st of October.
first.
Oh, bless me.
If it is not there. Item T is what matter? Question.
My lord, it is a matter, my lord, here regarding some making of false document, my lord. And
Oh.
earlier it is rejected on 6/2024. Along with 3 petitioners. That time it was this petitioner was petitioner along with other 2 came up before this honorable court. Now is alone appearing. My lord, regarding this, some employment, some issues are there, making some documents and all.
Hmm.
My lord, in this matter, my lord, city is required. Otherwise,
Now, the other side is absent now.
yes.
You have given the notice at 3 we are sitting. Should I that not fault? District after one.
My lord, my lord.
Your Lordship.
Yes.
Case diary was called for Your
CD
Lordship
is
on last occasion.
Oh. Yes. Please. Yes. What is the submission?
Your Lordship, considering the length of detention, it is 66 days. And moreover, the ground of clarity, I am also praying before this court, Your Lordship. Two petitioners have been already granted bail by this honorable court.
You annex the orders?
Yes, I have annexed the orders, Your Lordship. One order is at page number 16.
Yes. Otherwise, yes, proper. It's a no case of fake currency.
Lordship.
Fake currency. Since when your petitioner is in custody?
14/7/2024. It is 66 days at present, Your Lordship.
In this type of cases, there are some offences, Lordship, wherein parity is not never comes regarding bail, Lordship. That will not come, Lordship. And regarding some cases, Lordship, where some social issues are there, Lordship, crime against the nation, crime against the state, Lordship. Here in this type of cases, Lordship, length of detention will not be count, Lordship. Police is investigating the matter, Lordship. I is investigating the matter, and some persons are yet to be arrested, Lordship. And as per the objection report of the IO concerned, Lordship, that he is the influencing person and he can influence the evidences, Lordship. So, Lordship, at this stage, Lordship, as he is involved and he has been caught red-handed, Lordship. So, Lordship, at this stage, it should not be that benefit should not be extended to him, Lordship.
This person was caught red-handed.
Not red-handed, Your Lordship. At the forwarding, it has been referred. He was caught by tracing out some phone numbers, Your Lordship. In the forwarding itself, it has been given. And the seized vehicle is a motorcycle. It has been given as a I-20 car.
No,
There
Lordship, that is his their servants. His vehicle is motorcycle, but they themselves what he has stated in his 161 statement. That is their, Lordship, in the CD, Lordship. And he has admitted, Lordship, everything he has admitted, Lordship. He took 25 lakh rupees to deliver it to the other person, Lordship. In the when what that vehicle he has hired, that vehicle hit the police narco checking vehicle. Thereafter they ran in another way. Thereafter police arrested him. Police arrested him. So, Lordship,
the FIR was
One thing is there. You have taken that the ground of parity, but the order passed by this court is we have said that it is only the statutory period. That the 90 days was over.
Lordship, my prayer.
In the page number 20, we have
Yes, Your
annexed.
Lordship, page number
I've seen.
20.
And the page number 16 is definitely one order was there. I don't know what is it was the length of detention was considered, I think. In that
Totality of the
case
facts
also,
were also considered, Your Lordship.
totality of facts are also considered. Whatever.
Statements have been recorded and already a long duration has been spent, Your Lordship.
almost 25 lakhs fake currency, Lordship. This is not a minimum, normal minimum amount, Lordship.
In the previous
Small amount, Lordship.
Your Lordship, with due respect, in the previous cases, it was 66 lakhs, Your Lordship. I'm not comparing the quantum, Your Lordship, but as a matter of fact, it was 24 lakhs fake currency. In the previous cases, it was 66 lakhs, Your Lordship. First 2
You are
accused
dealing
person.
with all fake currency cases.
Fake allegations, fake currency.
No, you are dealing with all fake currency cases. Other cases also you have dealt with.
Fake currencies.
Also, at this stage, also, I have strong objection regarding banking of failure because also,
I mean,
all these are
even with suppose you are, if you insist that for the parity, ground of parity, in that case, it would be advisable to release the matter before appropriate bench. Otherwise, by this court, it was, I have seen that the order was passed only on after 90 days. Because see, now see, 489A, 489B, and 489C are also there. So it's not a case of, I don't know, maybe length of detention may be one of the factor, but
Length of detention, and he's undergoing treatment, Your Lordship, at Karbi Anglong Civil. He was beaten during his arrest, Your Lordship, also.
or it can be listed before appropriate bench. Okay. Otherwise, most probably, considering the submission made by Mr. Lawful, it may not be to allow it.
after 90 days, also earlier case, it was about 90 days also.
Hmm.
In one case,
Earlier
also.
matter.
Also, that is different. Now it is 65 days. Also. And also, police has
That's what in my order I have seen that the order passed by this court
That is
that
four-
only length of detention was considered because it was the 90 days.
but lots of
That was the only ground for
Right.
considered.
The FIR has been lost 7 months prior, Your Lordship, and he has been arrested after 7 months. That too not red-handed, Your Lordship. This is my
That
prayer.
I cannot say.
In the FIR, his name is not specified also, Your Lordship. FIR page 15.
FI is at page 50.
Page 15, Your Lordship.
here he has specifically stated lordship in 161 statement lordship that he along with three other persons name has also been 3-4 person name has also been mentioned, and he came to deliver that amount lordship to another person lordship. So
And
lordship,
he
on that
came
day,
to
lordship.
deliver this fake
Right.
currency to
Right.
another.
However, Your Lordship, at page number 23 in the forwarding,
And
I'm reading the
If it-
specific part.
if it happens lordship in it is a continuous lordship, our whole system will be down lordship.
23.
23, Your Lordship. I'm reading the relevant part.
Hmm.
During NACA checking, one I-20 car bearing registration number AS02M9021 was signaled to stop, but the driver of the I-20 car coming from Lamding side hit the departmental vehicle and managed to escape and proceeded back towards Lonka side. And while chasing the I-20 car, the car was recovered on Tinaligaon, Lonka. The driver and associates escaped from police arrest, and during searching the I-20 car, in the presence of the witnesses, recovered 24,73,000 rupees FICN, fake Indian currency notes, from the dicky and on the seat of the aforesaid vehicles. The recovered FICN and other articles were seized in the presence of witnesses and brought to Manza PS for further inquiry. Hence this case. Here, Your Lordship, AS02M9021 has been specified as I-20 car twice or thrice in the forwarding, Your Lordship. However, at page number 24, I have information from the RTO. I've taken the printout from the RTO website. AS02M9021, it's a glamour bike, Your Lordship. It's a prima facie error, Your Lordship. Page number 24.
Yes. Pick up card history.
AN Iqbal.
A and not the card history. Be the it's an application. It is submitted to Mr. Iqbal, and he got arrested only after 7 months and 7 months. It is not at all involved in the LS. However, further, he is in custody since 14/7/24. That the date is 91 and considering the considering the ground of merit, he may be under control as book with this person are already under control. Most of it submitted that as per the FIR, the fake currency was recovered from a high-tech vehicle wherein the number was specifically met. But from the information it received through how you received the information? Through
From RTO website, Your Lordship.
RTO that the vehicle number
As per, not FI, as per forwarding, Your Lordship.
the vehicle number reflecting the boarding report, FIR not reporting report is one glamour one super glamour model. Thus, he submitted that there are also errors in the state of the state like however, the still ready and reported live important it is done with instead of done it and from the method it is that the filed by the I that it is the person who is mainly involved in the effort of approval when he was trying to deliver 20 or 25 lakhs of fake currency notes to another person. 2-3 other persons are also involved in the entire crime, but they are yet to be arrested and the investigation is still under there is strong opposition in against the failure of the president. And also considering the nature of weapons, I find it a big deal to allow the most the order with along with the present petition passed on 4/4/2024 in bill application number 81/2024 was considered purely on kind of after expiry. Thus, the ground of rightly it also does not arise according to the bill. Your petition stands dismissed.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
My lord, the CD was called for last
CD
week.
available.
My lord, FIR is page 13,
1-3.
1-3, my lord.
Ah.
The SI of police, IC of Majiragla River Police Outpost, filed this FIR before the Jogigopa police station, alleging that, my lord, the police team conducting, my lord, a charged operation when the vehicle was coming, and my lord, some documents were verifying, and some were not used the helmet, and my lord, collecting the fine. And in the meantime, the present accused person's name in the FIR, my lord, against them, my allegation is that they informed they stopped the person who were coming, informing that Naka checking is going on. And my lord, accordingly, there was a traffic jam there, and there was a dispute, and my lord, the offender accused person, my lord, assault the police and prevent the conducting the duty, my lord, hence the affair, my lord. My lord, the fact is that the present petitioner before your lordship, they are not the any owner of the vehicle. They are in front of their residence, the Naka checking was conducting by the police. And my lord,
When there was a dispute there and there is a halla, then they come out forward. And they have seen that, that some people, doing the videography when police is conducting, because the police person, taking the fine but without issuing the receipt, Accordingly, there was a more than 100 vehicle owner is there, and altercation is going on and debate is going on with the police personnel. And some person, doing the videography also and threaten that we are going to file the complaint against the police before the higher authority, because this way you are collecting the money. And then the police seized the mobile also from some persons forcefully and deleted the story, deleted the video. And thereafter, a altercation was going on between so many persons, and in the meantime, the bike rider, they are not the local person, they have fled away. Now only remain the present petitioners, because in front of their house the incident was happened. And in fact, they came there, but they did not take part because they are not the beneficiary. They have nothing to do because they are not the owner. What will be benefit and what the ground they will not attack the police. Now only the collect the name of this present petitioner, easily the police file this affair. Very unfortunate affair. Who is the real person with whom the dispute was arise? Police is failed to collect because they are the running person, immediately they have gone this way, that way. And another thing, when police got the information that a report is going against them to the higher authority, immediately they have filed this case, and with preparing a story, It is the case, actually. So my humble submission, whether any independent witness, not the team of that police, seen that incident, yes, they have taken the, they have snatched the pistol or other thing from the police, or they are obstructing. That is the another thing. Otherwise, only by the statement of the informant and his team, it is very problem, and not believable story, because we have no interest, Why we will obstruct the police duty, We are not the vehicle owner. Here also mentioned, our house is nearby the place where the dispute is going on. So my humble submission, at least bail may be granted, they will cooperate the investigating agency, and they can also inform the police also if some persons is known to them. If bail is allowed, they can help the police also, That's my humble submission.
This is the earlier rejected bail, Lordship. In page 15, it is there, Lordship. So no new grounds, Lordship. As the city has been perused earlier, Lordship. But new ground has to be shown, Lordship.
Actually, new ground is that, fine. Charge sheet is not submitted. Investigation is going on. The investigation is developed, Anyway, the Honorable Court was not pleased that time. So yet charge sheet is not submitted, So I am humbly, praying before the Honorable Court, This type of case, court may grant,
Any other
Moreover, Lordship, this person, what is written in the FIR, Lordship, it is ascertained in the that he has snatched the service pistol, Lordship. Otherwise, all of them are deterring the police official. 353 is there. It is attracted, Lordship. So far as the witnesses are there, Lordship. And all settled positions is also there. The police are not at the point of Lordship always interested witnesses, or they may be considered independent witnesses, Lordship. So as per their statements are there, they have deterred police officials to do their official duties, Lordship.
The informant has not disclosed in the file that what is the reason. Reason is clearly, reason I have already informed, they are collecting the money in the name of fine, receipt was not issued. That is the main issue, Otherwise, the common people, without any reason, cannot start the dispute with the police, And that part is snatched the pistol only to make out a strong case, Otherwise, no single person, touch the any person's body. Even police, torture the people using the lathi,
They are not.
That is my humble submission, No independent witness, can say that yes, so and so person. Police is saying, Otherwise, no case at all, because the complaint is going against them. the videography also snatch away police from the public's mobile, my lord. So why you are doing the videography? Then these are the dispute, my lord, because police is high-handed power. Generally, my lord, the common people, if police think that I will harass you, the common people will say lay person, my lord. So bail may be granted kindly, my lord. They will cooperate with investigating agency, my lord. At any moment, under any terms condition, my lord. It's a very poor person. They are not the beneficiary of the vehicle also.
But I have objection, and moreover, Lordship, if the person against whom receipts were not given, they will complain, Lordship. Why they are doing moral policing, Lordship? It is not their duty.
No.
They have no authority, Lordship.
Before filing our complaint,
Causing ruckus in the
they have
Lordship,
started, my
in
lord.
the-
They have filed this case.
the traffic jam is there because
People-
of them, Lordship.
People left the place, my lord. People is generally not go to file the case against police, my lord.
Not so hard to and it is no way important. It's the fact that the public entity person as the traffic police, as the police were collecting fine for violation of some traffic law and did not issue any receipt for the thing, and on which there was an altercation with the tenant of, but the present petition has no vehicle and hence it was not affected anyway with that with the collection of fine by the police officer. But as the petitioner is a resident of near the as the petitioner is a resident near the place of occurrence, his name could be identified by the police and his name has been mentioned in the FIR as one of the accused, as one of the accused. Mr. Woodford, but prior to filing of any cases by the local people, the police lodged the FIR only to save their skin. The accused petitioner is diligently for the investigation of this case. Will also will also help the police officer to identify the person who are the main culprit. Mr. Das is unable to submit the statement that his earlier bail application was rejected by this court by the order dated 19/7/2024 in bail AP number 1654 of 2024, where the present petitioner was petitioner number 1 and the state petition was rejected after period of the case. There is no new or urgent ground brought in this petition. Consider his bail application, which was earlier rejected. Also, there are sufficient evidence against the present petition is that who not only involved in deterring the police servant from doing their duty, but he also snatched the pistol from our police officer. And hence, according to Mr. Das, payment object in granting and to the present. Next product, after the is that, and it is that the other way was rejected after is that and considering more mental availability. What I is that it is not due from consider his bail application are there. It's also it would be applied as well as for the that that represents the prisoner name in specific action who not only literally not only literally puts up to do their academic or object academic of vehicle or object collecting fines, etc. But also snatch the pistol of the person and put and then concentrate the nature of focus that they can betray the above of the your petition stands dismissed.
My lord,
Petition stands dismissed.
this is my lord. God bless you.
In this case diary was called for, madam.
Yes,
Updated case.
updated was called for, I think.
Not received,
Not received.
not available.
Not available. Not, no, you have not received
We
it.
don't know, I have not received the CD lot, updated sheet.
You'll also passed an order, I think, on 31/8, man.
Yes, 31A.
Eight. Already more than 2 weeks.
Okay, you tried it to
Okay,
collect.
we'll try lot.
It was rejected by this court, so obviously it come before this court only.
Lot.
Can it
When
be
it
on next
can be
week, my lord?
picked up,
Can it be on next week?
we'll try. Yes, next week.
Good.
Any date, what can be, when
Mhm.
can get. Don't give it on
Good.
27, 28. Will not be able.
Your lordship is sitting next week.
No, not sing. Not singly. If
Mm.
time permits, I'll.
Yeah, that will do, my lord. Not be your way. But the your
Next week also, since Friday, Friday I'll not be.
26 lot.
26 can.
Yes.
Huh? Huh? Other matters also. 26 other matters also. Can it be 25th?
25th.
Okay.
I'll try lot.
We're listing it on
25th.
20. Issue reminder and also you personally also.
Lot, I will do.
Because we cannot fix the more cases in one record because now
No.
division singly, division
Yes,
singly
yes, it's
is going
difficult.
on. So if the division matter, suppose that the hearing takes more than time, then sometimes it happens
No.
that the time also doesn't permit.
Yeah, yeah.
That's why.